Loose or worn chassis parts can lead to premature tire wear. Exclusive coverplate protects against contaminants leaking into the bearing surface. Grease-able socket design allows new lubricant to flush contaminants from the assembly, reducing corrosion and wear. Patent-pending Sinology-coated metal bearings provide smooth stud swing technicians and drivers prefer. Patented coverplate design allows for tighter tolerances versus traditional designs for a more durable part. MOOG Problem Solver products incorporate proven design and engineering features for like new steering, ease of installation and longer life. MOOG is the preferred steering and suspension parts brand of professional technicians and NASCAR Crew Chiefs. Top reviews from the United States. 2013 F350 upper tie rod for DragLink P.S. This was a replacement for a 2013 F350. This is the right upper tie rod that connects to the DragLink and lower tie rod link on the P.S. The part came unpainted, and with new hardware. I cleaned off the packing oil with automotive paint prep, taped off the threaded portion and painted the part with oil-based chassis black semi-gloss. For install I used anti-seize on the threaded portions and torqued the castle nut to 85 ft lbs per pen spec.